Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make pork gravy. Begin by collecting pan drippings and setting a fat-to-flour roux ratio of about 2:1. Warm the stock separately while you brown the flour gently until it smells nutty. Slowly whisk in cold stock to avoid lumps and simmer until glossy. Season gradually with salt and pepper, tasting as you go for a rich, savory result that complements roasted pork. Start with equal parts fat and flour by volume to create a stable roux, though slightly more fat gives silkier texture. Melt the fat, sprinkle in flour, and stir over medium heat until it becomes golden and aromatic, about 2 to 4 minutes. Do not rush this step because flavor builds here. Once the roux is ready, remove from direct heat briefly before gradually whisking in warm stock to create a smooth base. After combining roux and stock, continue whisking until the mixture is smooth and starts to thicken. Maintain a gentle simmer and skim foam or excess fat for a cleaner finish. Taste midway and adjust with salt, a splash of vinegar, or a pinch of sugar if needed to balance richness. For a professional look, strain the gravy through a fine sieve, then keep warm until serving alongside pork or mashed potatoes for best results.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.